Sanso Kogyo YouTube channel. We are very glad you have time to watch our movie, America's Saga from Global Machinery Sales Division. As you know, the Japan International Welding Show 2022, JIWS 2022, have been held at Tokyo Big Sight from July 13th to 16th. At the exhibition, KOIKE introduced new products and technologies. Today, we would like to show the next 3 products that we exhibited. The first one is FiberTech Zero 18 kW DBC, the world's first dual beam control on board to achieve steel plate cutting. The second one is KOIKE SDG's hydrogen cutting and frame master 2. It is to cover shortage of skilled workers and find out KOIKE SDG's hydrogen cutting. The third one is PNC 12 Extreme, the most popular small cutting machine that shipped more than 1,000 units in the world. Let's watch the movie of KOIKE JIWS 2022. KOIKE Sanso Kogyo's FiberTech Zero has the world's first DBC on board to achieve steel plate cutting and has output of 18 kW DBC fiber laser with 3 unique features. The first feature is that the verticality of the cut surface has been greatly improved. Customers gave us a highly invaluable words for the excellent verticality. It doesn't have tilt angle and no engrave on cutting surface. DBC fiber laser has an oscillator that has 2 beams, central beam and ring beam. This is the world's first technology that combines KOIKE's original cutting know-how and controlling the parameters of central beam and ring beam. The second feature is the peripheral devices can be mounted on the main body of the machine. Operation panel, oscillator, and chiller can be mounted on the machine. Due to the space of the factory, if there is no place for the chiller, mount those units on the machine makes a neat factory layout without putting extra boxes outside the rail. The third feature is that it has 18 kW large output oscillator and achieves stable cutting up to 36 mm at practical usage level. Since this has very high outputs such as 18 kW, most concern is the safety of your ICs. It is necessary to have 1 class higher safety measures for 20 kW. However, please be assured that 18 kW can be operated with the same OD7 safety measures as the conventional 8 kW and 12 kW. We introduced cutting machine that use hydrogen-based mixed gas for the fuel gas for SDGs. KOIKE is working on cutting machines that use hydrogen-based mixed gas as the fuel gas for SDGs. There are 2 major features that can be obtained when hydrogen is used as the fuel gas. The first feature is that it is possible to reduce amount of CO2 compared to the case of using LPG acetylene. When supercut H, a mixed gas of 19% hydrogen and 10% methane, is used for cutting, CO2 is reduced by 19.7% compared to when LPG is used. The second feature is that the use of hydrogen-based mixed gas reduces the burden on workers. This photograph is showing the temperature of the two torches that are emitting flames. The left is LPG and the right is supercut H. It is shown that the valve and up-down handle of the torch using LPG are hot. Next, we would like to introduce the automatic flame adjustment device, FlameMaster 2. The first feature of this device is that it is very effective in skill inheritance of skilled workers, stabilizing cutting quality of flame and secondly improving productivity. With this FlameMaster 2, the optimum flow rates of preheat oxygen and preheat gas for each cutting tip can be stored. By simply selecting size of cutting tip on the monitor, anyone can reproduce the optimum flame regardless of the number of torches. PNC is the most popular small cutting machine. Piercing function is like high-end NC machine because of D420 preheating timer and the standard solenoid valve and electric vertical device. In the plasma specification, IHC unit is equipped as standard. Initial height setting with contacting sensor type and height control function during cutting are available. Thank you for watching KOIKE JIWS 2002 movie. We hope you could enjoy watching it and look forward to meeting you again. Have a great day.